Hi, I'm Jim Drew from Business Equip, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can drive more traffic to our websites with our Facebook post. So that's what we're going to be doing. So how we do this, we first of all either create our own blog post on our website or using one of our current pages. So what I've done here, I've created a new post, how to drive more traffic to your website with your Facebook post. And what we would do is write the content of our post, and then I am using the Yoast SEO plugin here, so available on any WordPress site. You can add the Yoast SEO plugin. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this page or post up so when we share it on Facebook it will create a link post, and it's these link posts which will then drive traffic to your website. So within the Yoast SEO plugin, we click on the share, the social icon, and then we have our Facebook tab here. And it's here we can set up our unique Facebook title, how to drive more traffic to your website with your Facebook post, and then you put a small description. Traffic Facebook post step-to-step guide. And then, so that's the description, and then we need an image that we're going to put with this Facebook post. The important thing with the image is the image size needs to be 1200 pixels by 630 pixels. Now I'm going to use another tool called Canva, so canva.com. And you go into canva.com, you can set up your own account, and then you can create your own images really simply. So I'm going to make it 1200 by 630, and I'm going to design my image, and this is the image that Facebook is going to pick up. Now I've got a number of images I've pre-uploaded, so you can take your own image and upload it. So here's mine. I'm going to drag this image out so that it's full size on this, and then I'm going to give it the same post name here, so really to give it a lot of impact when somebody clicks on it. Put some text on it. I'm going to put a heading there. Need to adjust that so I can drag that around. I'm going to make it white to stand out. I'm going to change the font slightly as well. There you go. So as you can see, really easy to make an image. I would put some words on there because again it will capture people's attention. You then, once you've created your image, you just need to download it, and image for website use. So I'm just downloading that image from Canva, and then I can upload it to my page or my post. So just waiting for it to download. So I'm going to just put it in my downloads and save that. So now I've created that image, I can go back into my post and I can now upload this image. So it's a normal WordPress image upload. So I'm just going to select that file from where I've just saved it. There we go. So I'm just going to go to my downloads, how to drive more traffic. So that's the image, and I'm going to upload it into WordPress, and I'm going to use that image. So it's put that in as my Facebook image. So that's the Facebook image that I'm going to use. So I can now publish this post. Haven't got any content in there. Obviously I'd put some content in there before publishing it normally. So there is my post how to drive more traffic to your website with your Facebook post. So now the clever bit, I can now take this web address or the URL of my site, copy it. I can now go into my Facebook and I'm going to go to my Business Equip page, and in the right zone all I need to do is I can just put the address. And what Facebook will do is Facebook will go away to the site, it will pick up the title that I gave it and the description, and it will normally pick up the image. Now sometimes you'll find for various caching reasons when you first do this it will not pick it up correctly. So I want to show you just another little tool that Facebook give us. It's the Open Graph Debugger from Facebook. So if you just type into Google debug Facebook, you just go into this and all you need to do in the sharing debugger is just put the address and debug, and it will go and it will try to pick up the image again, and in this case it's managed to pick up the image. Sometimes it just takes a few moments to do. So what we can now do is we can go back into Facebook, we can just refresh the page, reload, and we'll just try that again. So I'm now going to post that again. So this time we see that Facebook has actually picked up that image, it's picked up the text and everything. Now what we can now do, we can actually remove that link, it's no longer needed, and we can write some text there if we want, or we can just publish it as it is. So I'm just going to publish that, and there we go. And the great thing with this post now is when anybody sees that and they click on that link, it takes them straight to the post. So very, very powerful way of getting more traffic to your site with a very simple way to post effective content on your Facebook page. So just to recap, you create a new post or use a current post or page on your website. Go into the Yoast SEO settings, and from there we will set up, let me just go back here. So from the Yoast SEO settings, just go back into my page here. We went to the social tab on the Facebook one, created this title, created the description, and uploaded an image. We use Canva to make the image. Great free product. We then published our post, and then once we'd published our post we could just go into Facebook and share the link, and Facebook uses the Open Graph tags to put that in. Now if you're running a website which isn't WordPress, there are ways you can add the Open Graph tags, so depending on what system you're running, but do feel free to get in contact if you want more help with that. Great way of making very simple, effective posts which drive traffic to your website from Facebook.